Guys, running Kimono here, and we have some free chocolate. Oh my gosh. And then some really inexpensive first aid stuff over at Meijer, and I went kind of crazy. And then some really great little deals over at Rite. Weather report for you guys. It's like a really windy one. Do you see the tree moving around? Yeah. We have a winner. I had a giveaway, I think, on Monday, and congratulations to Julia. She won the little waffle maker and the gift card, so that was sent out today, and I'm sure she's gonna love it so much. And thank you to everybody who participated, and hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a great day. And as you can see, the snow has melted, and we don't have a single cat here today. I think this when it's this windy and stuff, the cats stay in the barn because it's you know, it's spooky conditions, so you know, just that they're aloof animals, so they don't like, you know, when it's like crazy noisy outside and it's pretty windy. So if you are in Michigan, hopefully you're not dealing with this level of wind. Okay, let's talk about some deals and steals. Okay, so the first store I went to is the Dollar Tree, and they sell these 3 packs of the Ferrero Rocher. Where you're gonna find this is at the front of the store. You know where they have the checkout, they have this little like shelf with candy, like, hey, grab all this stuff and buy it all before you leave the store. So these were found on a bottom shelf. I'll show you guys a photo here in a minute. They're $1, so I grabbed 5 of them. I paid 5 out of pocket. Checkout 51 has a $1 rebate, so you'll get that back, making it totally free. And the limit for that is 5, so I grabbed 5. And the thing with this one, guys, because there is no, like, it's not size specific with this rebate right now, so everybody's going crazy with it. If you wanted to pass on it, because it's a bit of a gamble, they might pull it at a moment's notice, or they might start just like rejecting receipts. So if you are about, you know, taking a chance, absolutely go for it. But if $5 is a little bit too much to spend on a deal that might just get pulled, I wouldn't do it. Obviously, open up your Checkout 51 app, double, triple check if it's there. But I submitted my receipt, and within, I think, 2 minutes, I got the $5 back. So that was really great. Also, I posted this on Instagram, and somebody was saying they did it at Walmart, but I didn't read what stores you can and cannot do it. I know that you could do it at the Dollar Tree. So I'm not sure if you guys want to try it also at Walmart. But again, if you're not about, you know, taking a chance, because this is a Checkout 51 deal, these things always get pulled at a moment's notice. But I know a lot of you got it when I explained the deal on Monday, but good luck with this one, guys. Okay, so we're going to talk about Meijer at the end, because Meijer is a very specific store here in the Midwest, and I know not everybody has it, so we'll leave the store till the end. The next store that we have is Rite Aid, and the first little deal that we have is with this Himalaya, it's called Organic Ashwagandha. Some sort of supplement of some sort. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. So where you're gonna find this, guys, is, you know where they have just the vitamins? I think I found it near the Sundown Vitamins. I'll include a little video here at the end to show you guys, because it's a harder product to find in this store. So this guy with your gold discount is $9.59. If you don't have gold discount, it's like $11 and some change. There's a $5 digital or a $5 coupon that was hanging from it. So with my gold discount, I paid $4.59. And then I got back $5 from IBOTTA. IBOTTA has a very generous $5 back when you buy this product, making it free plus a 41-cent money maker. So that is really fantastic. And the limit for that is 1. Okay, so I'm in the vitamin aisle, and there's the Sundown, and then this is where this is, and this is where the IBOTTA item is. And as you can see, there's a $5 coupon. Boom, there it is. Now, I just repeated this deal with the Playtex because it's absolutely fantastic. In the golden era of couponing, we used to always get tampons, pads, that sort of stuff, plentiful and free. Like, it was crazy. So this is on a buy one, get one 50% off. So $5.99 for the first, $2.99 for the second. There's a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $5.98 after that coupon comes off. And then IBOTTA has $2.50 back for each, so that's $5, making this free plus a $1.02 money maker. The Russell Stover's Easter eggs are 2 for $1. Unfortunately, Mr. Kimono ate the second one, so I don't have 2 to show you for the visuals. So buy 2 of these for $1 and then you'll get back $1 of bonus cash. The limit for that is 1 per store card. Okay, so this is a deal that I did with coupons.com manufacturers. The store that I frequent is absolutely strict, so there is no messing around here with using multiple coupons. So I just used what I had, and I had to do it over a bunch of days, so that's why I'm doing this deal today on Thursday, and I'm like, here's my stuff. So with the gold discount, it affected the price of the L'Oreal Elvis. So the Elvis shampoo was supposed to be 2 for $8, but they were ringing up for $3.99. So I was like a penny short or like 4 cents short. So it was just something ridiculous. So I had to buy a 5th one to make sure that the math balanced. So you might want to pay attention in the store if this happens to you. So I'm just going to give you the math as I did it in one transaction because it's going to be easier that way. So 5 of these Elvises at $3.99 a pop is $19.95. They are on a promotion that if you buy $30 of the L'Oreal or the Garnier, you will get back $10 of bonus cash. And then 4 of these, they are 2 for $7, and then of course they rang up for the right price point. So for all of this shampoo, 5 Elvises and 4 whole blends, and I call this Elvis because I think Elvive is the worst name for a product. I think they should have just called it Elvis. Anyhow, for all of this, it was $33.95. $2 internet printable from coupons.com, or from last weekend's Retail Me Not, there's a 4 off of 2. And then from the coupons.com app, there's also a 4 off of 2 for the whole blends. So after all those coupons come off, it's $15.94 you'll have to pay. You can roll your bonus cash if you wish. And then you get back $10 in bonus cash. Now, one quick question, because I know some of you might be wondering, like, why didn't you do that L'Oreal skincare deal over at Walgreens this week? I didn't have any digital coupons to go with it, so I couldn't really show you my findings one way or another, so I had to take a big old pass. Walgreens put me in a timeout, so but I'm okay with that. Rite Aid is still quite fantastic this week. The last store that we have is Meijer, and Meijer is predominantly in the Midwest, and yeah. First aid stuff, a lot of it is 75 or 90% off. This sort of stuff, you know, it might have an expiry date. The stuff doesn't expire till November of 2023. You never know when you might need this stuff, and it only takes one cut where you will go through all of these bandages. So I would rather be safe than sorry. So I kind of went crazy. I didn't clear the store, but for the most part, whenever this stuff does go on clearance, people tend to really go hard on it. So yeah, I was like, ooh, I need to get some stuff today. So I'm going to show you what I got, and I didn't have any manufacturers. I just paid for this out of pocket. The Next Care, this is a like a tape, like a gauze tape, which looks really interesting. 86 cents. I think the original price point was close to $3. And then there's also this clear tape that was the same price of 86 cents. This foam wrap, which I really do like, also 86 cents. And back in the day, like before the pandemic, there were so many coupons for first aid stuff, or a store like Rite Aid would be like, you know, buy 25, get back 10 in first aid, but I think that stuff is gone for a while. But anyhow, I'm just happy to stock up on this stuff, and I really need it. The next thing that I got was 8 of these little sprays of the alcohol, and these are 59 cents a piece. So I got a couple of those. And then I got 4 of these Band-Aid rolls, and these were 65 cents, and I think the original price was close to like $2 or $3. So kind of a thing, like, you know, you always need a little first aid kit in your house. This might seem a bit extreme, but This is the kind of stuff I like to stock up on, especially stuff that, you know, doesn't expire. Guys, and just to show you, so like in the regular section, you'll look for this stuff and you'll see it reduced with these orange stickers on it. And for the most part, lots of this stuff was cleared. Like, people go crazy whenever this stuff goes on clearance because it's so expensive. And just to show you the bandage roll, so I think the original price was like $2 and some change. So to get it for 65 cents, I'm all about that. And it was really awesome. Also, hand sanitizer, a lot of these holiday scents, reduced down 90% off. You might want to look out for that too while you're in the store. As always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.